There we go. There we go. I got your head cut off though.
That's balance there.
There's Jax Ryder. Is he rocking the boat? Are you rocking the boat? Oh, I guess it's still recording.
Got numbers going.
Yeah. You like climbing in and out the best, don't you? Whoa, whoa. Yeah. I'm glad I made that strong. Strong for you and Ellie. I know you guys will be climbing all over it.
All done.
All done? Oh, let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
No.
Yeah. Hey, what do you got on your head? What is this? What is this? What's that on your head? You don't know? You want to get out? You want to get out? All done? Okay. All done. All done. Oh. Yeah, I know you like cameras. You like to get that camera so bad, wouldn't you? I got it just out of your reach. Just out of your reach. Oh, you did it. You want to get down? Whoop, down. Whoop, down.